Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can translate your document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document and I'm going to show you how you can translate this document using Microsoft Word. If you want to translate document, you can go to the review. Click on this review menu right here. Okay, and you will be able to use the translate menu in Microsoft Word. You can select language and then select translate, and you can click on translate document, and here you can choose the language you want to translate your document to. And for example, I'm just going to translate it to English. So here I'm going to select English and then click on translate. Okay guys, and we just need to wait for a moment until the process completed. Okay, and now the translation of my document has been created in a new document, and you just need to save the document. I'm just going to click on save as, and I'm going to save it to my download folder. I'm going to name it translation. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to translate document using Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.